Critic's Choice, Unraveling the Phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language. Critic's choice. This phrase is often used in various contexts, especially in the world of arts and entertainment. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, critic's choice, refers to a selection or recommendation made by critics, who are experts or professionals in a particular field. These fields often include movies, music, books, or even restaurants and hotels. When something is labeled as a critic's choice, it means that it has been highly recommended or praised by these experts. The opinion of critics is important because they are usually knowledgeable and experienced. They often provide insightful and objective evaluations. When a movie, for example, is a critic's choice, it might indicate a high quality of filmmaking, acting, and storytelling. Therefore, this phrase can be a guide for audiences in deciding what to watch, read, or experience. You can use critic's choice in sentences like, "The new movie is a critic's choice, so it must be good." "I always check the critic's choice list before picking a book to read." It's a great phrase to express reliance on expert opinions in making choices. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, critic's choice, and how you can use it in your daily language. Remember, language is not just about words, but about understanding the context in which they are used. Keep exploring and happy learning!